subscribe my channel.
Daily use English sentences with Urdu translation related to Ramadan. 1. I offered prayer 5 times. 2. You should observe fast. 3. Have you observed fast today? 4. How many fasts have you observed? 5. I have observed all the fast. 6. Let's go to offer the prayer. 7. Have you done the ablution? 8. We celebrate Eid after observing the fast. 9. Eid is around the corner. 10. We celebrate Eid with great pomp. 11. It is going Friday tomorrow. 12. Fasting is an obligation upon every adult Muslim. 13. When the fast will be ended. 14. It's time to open the fast. 15. Break the fast by having dates. 16. You should not break the fast deliberately. 17. He has broken the fast. 18. Don't leave the fast without any good excuse. 19. I have drunk water unknowingly. 20. Fast doesn't break by eating or drinking mistakenly. 21. Keeping fast is good for health. 22. Do you know? What are the things that invalidate fasting? 23. Ramadan is a holy month. 24. Quran was revealed in the month of Ramadan. 25. Devils are chained during Ramadan. 26. It's time for iftar. 27. How to pray while ending a fast. 28. Learn the fast ending prayer. 29. What is the time of the iftar today? 30. A prayer call is going on. 31. Do you worship? 32. It's time to open fast. 33. I have a fasting meal after sunset. 34. Make an intention to fast.